Ibu Dr. Widya Andayani, SSM HUM, hadir bersama kita. Bapak Dewan Komisi, Ibu Profesor Dr. Sri Minda Murni, MS, Prof. Amrin, sekaligus narasumber, dan Bu Dr. Ani Holina HUM. Mungkin Bu Ani yang belum hadir ya, Prof. Amrin ya?
Ya, masih di proses.
Gangguan internet. Minda dari Bapak atau dari mana ini?
Iya. Kebetulan semalam ada kegiatan, jadi pagi ini dari Bapak Barat, Pak.
Iya,
Wakil Direktur.
sibuk persiapkan lah ya kayaknya ya.
Ya, biasa-biasa aja kalau saya sebetulnya yang sibuk itu kan Pak Solin, Pak.
Ya, doa kami menyertai lah.
Amin, amin. Terima kasih, Pak. Itu Pak Solin masih dengar.
Ya. Baik, pada hari ini kita akan melaksanakan seminar proposal disertasi atas nama Cut Intan Mutia, NIM 822611601, judul disertasi Global English Oriented Learning Materials Model Based on Ecological Perspective for Pre-Service Teachers. Apakah Saudari Intan Mutia siap untuk melaksanakan seminar pada hari ini?
Ya, Prof.
Ya, nah berarti segala konsekuensinya nanti akan dilaksanakan. Mudah-mudahan proposalnya dapat diterima ya, untuk melanjutkan dalam proses penelitian disertasi. Baik, dengan demikian seminar proposal atas nama Cut Intan Mutia, NIM 822611601 resmi dibuka. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera kita semua. Untuk selanjutnya kami serahkan kepada Ibu promotor dan co-promotor untuk melanjutkan jalannya seminar proposal disertasi. Terima kasih. Saya langsung izin Prof. Amrin, ada ujian juga tesis.
Iya.
Kak Minda, izin ya. Kak Sumarsi.
Ya, sehat-sehat Pak Wadi.
Mohon maaf.
Ya, Pak. Terima kasih. Prof, saya yang menjelaskan di awal atau Prof langsung? Pak Amrin, Prof Amrin?
Ya, oke. Ini itu multifungsi kita ini sekarang ini, Pak. Jadi, oke, waktu kita terbatas sekali. Tadi saya telah diberitahu bahwa harus tepat waktu karena forum ini dipakai jam 11 persis. Karena itu 2 jam waktu kita. Jadi dipersilakanlah. Saya pikir Ibu Prof. Marsila dulu memimpin.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you to Pak Dr. Saadi Saputra MPhil Profesor Amrin Saragi MA PhD, and the other reviewers, Profesor Dr. Sri Minda Murni MS, Dr. Ani Holila Kuluman MPhum, dan Profesor Amrin Saragi MA PhD. Good morning, everybody. The first one, Jud Intan Mutia, you must give the presentation today, at least 15 minutes. You explain as clear as possible from the gap phenomena, gap theory, gap research, until the conceptual framework. Yeah, and before that, you must give the opening statement to the reviewers. Okay, thank you. Cuk Intan Mutia, time for you.
Ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Good morning to all of you, my honorable to all my reviewer, my honorable to all my promoter, and also my honorable to all students at LTBA program. Today, I'm going to present my proposal, which is Global English-Oriented Learning Material Models based on a collegial perspective for pre-service teacher. I'll start from research background. Many English learners have limited exposure to English-speaking environment. The current language teaching practices are largely based on monolingual ideology. The ideology of English in the Asian EFL context is primarily and strongly linked to the native speaker. Standard English is still the only pedagogical variety in textbook and also listening materials, and native English speakers are widely presented to language learners as a role model. The creation of material by EFL teachers, students, has been described as the ultimate applied linguistic problems. Therefore, the English as lingua franca, English as international language, and global English exist, but very few have addressed how these concepts are translated into a pedagogical practice, such as our designing language materials. So, pre-service teacher might consider native English speakers as a role model for their students. Global English ideas are well reflected in language teaching practice. English language teaching, or ELT, fails to reflect how English is used in the international community. This concept has a significant impact on academic progress. It drives the worldwide establishment of the legitimacy of the English language. Its users and related identities in local, global, and intercultural context where individuals use their variety of English as the international language. How this concept can be translated into ELT materials need to be better defined from the ecological perspective. This study presents practical framework for global English-oriented learning materials in which ecological perspectives are presented. Next, literature review. Global English is proposed umbrella term for scholarship on word English as lingua franca, English as international, as well insight from research in closely related fields such as translanguaging and multilingualism by Ross and Galloway. In other words, the paradigm anticipates that people should have the ability to form and convey their identity while engaging in international community using English. The term is explained in several other forms, such as Global English Galloway, International Language Crystal, Word English Kirkpatrick, Carew Nelson, or D'Angelo, English as International Language, and English as Lingua Franca. GF proposed by Ross and Galloway as an umbrella concept to unite call for change in ELT. Then the term the ecological perspective on language teaching. Ecology perspective involves exploring language teaching and learning within the totality of the various participant life and not as the one subpart of their life. The ecological perspective in language teaching views language learning as dynamic and interactive process influenced by the learner's environment and social context. This concept can be translated into ELT material needs to be better defined from ecological perspective. Very few books have been published on material development, not academic enough, to be treated as a field. Material development with a subsection of methodology over material are usually introduced example of method in action rather than as an example, a means to explore principle and procedure for their development material. Anything can be used to facilitate the learning of the language. Then research gap. Phenomena gap, pre-service teacher design material based on American or English standard. There is no any model to develop learning material PST in micro teaching. Then theoretical gap, there has not been any model one grounded in global English paradigm which is focused on pre-service teacher in teaching practice. Research on GA-oriented teacher development is still its infancy in terms of quality and quantity. Research gap, the development of material by EFL teacher has been identified as the ultimate bilinguistic challenge and is also core part of professional training. Standard English is still the only pedagogical variety in textbook listening material as a role models. The research questions are for the week 1. How is the GA materials model based on the ecological perspective for pre-service teacher? And then start the next, what is the validity of the global English material that has been developed for pre-service teacher? And how practical is the global English material that has been developed global English as a model? I try to describe another form. What are the pre-service teacher perception toward global Englishes? What teaching activity using global English material has been developed? What are the obstacles that arise when using the developed global English material? Then, how effective is global English material model enhance the teaching skill of pre-service student? And how pre-service teacher conceptualize and implement GA in their lesson plan, and how this ecological perspective implemented in the teaching material? The significance of study. In practice, the first step is to implement GA is designed to promote language through classroom teaching and learning process. In addition, pre-service students enhance their ability to design and use language appropriately as a global language. Next, pre-service teachers upgrade their level of training intended to prepare themselves. Theoretically, the research expects that finding of the study will provide direction for future empirical studies on global English in classroom setting. By emphasizing global English perspective, the study makes the following contribution to the development of English textbook material. Empirically, the finding will be beneficial for expanding knowledge, new theories, and information regarding the maintenance of GA school in Indonesia. The objective study, first, to explore the issue of designing English teaching material in the classroom situation, to map the comprehensive impact the context of the GA, to provide example of English language use in different international, intercultural, and intracultural settings, to become more prepared to teach English in diverse socio-linguistic contexts. Literature review, also from Grand Theory and apply for GA theory is inclusive paradigm that examines linguistics, socio-linguistics, social-cultural diversity, and the fluidity English language use and English language user in global lives by Rose and Galloway. Then the middle theory, learning material by Tomlinson, 1983. Then applied theory, I use ecological perspective based on Van Leer, 1997. So this is previous study. I have several previous study. Some of them is here. It's about attitude toward English beyond global English teaching, English as dynamic language, English as international language, view Indonesian and Japan, critical analysis of community teacher, cognition about word English and English language teaching, pre-service English teachers' attitude toward English as lingua franca, word English is changing a paradigm of linguistic diversity in global academia, learning to live with complex toward an ecological perspective in language teaching. Then global English is based on ecological perspective model, focusing on design learning materials model to develop the socio-cultural identity. This model promote, explore, and develop global English-oriented learning material for EFL pre-service teacher, produce valid, practical, and effective model book, syllabus, teaching model, teacher's guidebook, and student guidebook for helping pre-service teacher to develop material. Therefore, to incorporate global English based on ecological perspective into gym material as a teaching model, based on the ecological perspective that recognize the use of language in different social and cultural domain in which different language and cultural exist. And then start from conceptual framework. Conceptual framework here is the educational resources created are based on empirical research and literature integrating the GA concept while employing ecological perspective. Students completing teaching practice often struggle to develop instructional material using GA concept. From GA standpoint, students will learn to implement more selective instructional material by applying GA concept, learning material, theory, and ecological perspective. From the last one, I will offer R&D based on Borg and Gold. This is research data collection. And then Christopher Mead, global English theory, learning matter theory, ecological perspective, planning, content of material, books, syllabus, lesson plan, student workshop, preliminary form of product, global English book, syllabus, lesson plan, student workshop, preliminary field testing, validated by expert, and then main product revision, valid or not, main field testing, and then operational product revision and operational field testing. Then methodology. Participant will be pre-service teacher, location of the result in Langsa, data collection technique, field note, validation technique, focus group discussion, interview, observation, questionnaire. The technique of data analysis is to meet the standard criteria of validity, practicality, and effectiveness. The validity of the GA model and teaching kids, the validity of the learning model, the validity of learning tool, the validity of observation assessment sheet. Practicality of GA model, analysis the implementation of learning, analysis of student activity observation, analysis of obstacle in the implementation of GA learning model. The effectiveness level of GA model, analysis pre-service teacher in teaching practice, analysis of obstacle in the implementation of GA model. I think that's it. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Ibu Cut Intan Mutia. Yeah, the first one, I invite the Honorable Professor Dr. Sri Minda Murni MS to give a candidate question, comment, suggestion. Please, time for you. Prof.
Okay, thank you, Ibu Profesor Dr. Sumarsi MPD. Cut Intan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I would like to appreciate your way of presenting your proposal, very systematic, and it's very easy to understand the logic of what you are going to do. I have some questions just to
Thank you, ma'am.
highlight the what do you call it? The quality, okay, of your dissertation later. Number one, I will start from the title, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, global English oriented learning materials model. Global English oriented learning materials model or design, yeah, how to design global English oriented learning based on ecological perspective. Yeah, is it model or design? Maybe this is not the question that I would like to propose, but maybe you can also consider the two terms, okay?
Okay.
Based on ecological perspective for pre-service teachers. Yeah. So I read your proposal, ecological perspectives mean apa namanya itu
local
ya,
oriented.
using learners environment
Yeah.
and social context, right? Yeah. So to my understanding, this will be dealing with the topic that they are talking about, right? But
Right.
for the grammar, for example, because we have different grammars, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So I don't think there will be any tolerance in grammatical errors. For example, ya, the way you say saya sangat suka mangga, for example, the grammar is saya sangat suka mangga. But in English, it is not acceptable if we say I very like mango, right? So I just want to make sure that the grammars that your language in Aceh, right, will be different from
Yes,
the
ma'am.
grammar. Will be different in the from the English grammar. So I just would like to focus on that one. You will not tolerate any grammatical errors, right? This is only for the topics that they are talking about, using the environment and the life or the social context.
Yes, ma'am. In early stages for early learners, it will a bit difficult to apply GE concept into them because they have no idea about grammar first. But in level university, in level that is something acceptable. Sometimes, for example, in Aceh context, we don't have any other word to say. I very like mango in Acehnese. Ya, saya suka sekali mangga. But in term is English is unacceptable. But in some part of area, for example, India, Pakistan, and another country that apply English as a second language, they have another term to explain what they want. That is something acceptable to apply in the context of global Englishes. But in Aceh, because we don't use English as second language, so it might be hard to find another term to say that I very like mango, but they cannot say also I very like a mango. They can also I like a mango.
I like mango very much.
Yeah.
I like mango very much. Yeah, because because you are designing materials, so I am very sure that you will put the environment and the social context as the topic that, like for example, you are designing conversation or dialogues, then you will put the environment and social context. But of course, it should be following the rules of grammatical rules of English, because you are designing materials, right?
Okay. The
Yeah,
GE is not only focused on grammar, ma'am,
I know,
because
I know, I know, I
yeah.
know. Just to make sure that when you are designing materials, you will put the environment, the learner's environment and social context as the topic to be read, to be exercised in the dialogues. But of course, you have to make sure that the way you are designing the materials should follow the grammatical rules of English. Begitu.
Yes,
Menurut saya
yes,
seperti
ma'am.
itu. Okay,
Yes,
good. Yeah. Okay. And then number two, I think because you are talking about ecological perspective here, then what about if you use Aceh, for example, in Aceh, for example, because the environment and the social context of this ecological perspective will be different if the materials are designed in different province, for example. What about if you put that? So,
oh, okay. Do
ecological
you mean is I will
perspective,
put this one in
yeah.
research background?
Yeah, no, I
Okay.
also yeah, maybe, or also in the title, because I'm still talking about the title.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
pre-service
okay.
teachers in Aceh. Pre-service
okay.
teachers in Aceh, right? Because the
Okay.
environment and the social context you are using in your materials, as I have a browse, then focus on Aceh.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Yeah, in
Yeah, okay.
Aceh. Yeah, okay then. And then number 2, as you put pre-service teachers, right? Because you involved in the praktek mengajar, ya.
Yeah, teaching practice. Yes.
So okay, and they are designing materials to fit the needs of the learners, right?
Right,
Now,
ma'am.
this is for pre-service teachers. So, well, if you put it in the title, then it means the question will be arisen, like, what will be the difference then in the materials for in-service teachers, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Why will you need to write
To
for pre-service teachers
Pre-service teachers.
as the title?
As the,
What
yeah.
about if you just global English-oriented learning materials design based on ecological perspectives in Aceh, for example? So it will be applicable for teachers, whether they are pre-service or in service.
Okay, ma'am. So I'll try to answer. Because micro teaching is start point for pre-service teacher to create their identity as a teacher. So it's easy to construct the identity with the concept of GE, because for in-service teacher, they already know about English as international, English as lingua franca.